Hello to our second day of trading for gold and other currency that we can get. Okay, so based on the yesterday result, okay, we do hit our SL on our UJ, but nonetheless we able to hit our TP on our gold, as you can see. So basically, we're on the roll today. So look at the market. It seems that we do have a consolidation here going on. Okay, price did, if you were to look at H4, we have major consolidation here. So if you ask me, price is still seems to be on the bearish side. Okay, initially, I did saw the market like it was about to be on the selling point around this area, but we're gonna start off on the US session for now. So, if you ask me, what the fuck is this, man? So we do have a support here. Okay, let's draw up our resistance and support first just to identify. Let's use higher time frame. We're going to use H1. We're going to change this to line stick first so we can want to know what price is giving us. So if you ask me, price is still stuck around here. Main reason why, because of the war and the result have not come up. And also, if you ask me, tomorrow is one major high impact news. Is it this one here? Yeah, which is this one here. Okay. This is a very high impact news, so this is one of the things that you should be aware to avoid. So we do have a resistance, we do have a support here on the higher time frame, and then due to the fact that we are trading within 3 hours, we only trade within the lower time frame. Okay. So if you ask me right now, price did reject towards the resistance. Is it okay to take a sell? Uh, if the price were to break this, yes, then we can take a sell immediately around this box because price will just continue dipping down. That is on higher time frame. Look at lower time frame. Is that a good reason for us to sell? Yes, there is. So if you look at it here, there is a resistance become support breakout structure. This is the we're gonna look at the most recent price action, what the market gave us. Okay, so basically right now we do have a resistance that created here. Price make a breakout structure and do came back and make a retracement, but did not make any more other then retracement here, did not pull back any furthermore. It just create a support here. So basically, this resistance had become support. So price didn't come back a second time, and this is a third time, and currently right now this is a fourth time. So if you ask me why price is still coming back here, uh, if you ask me personally, price should be just gonna be like on the uptrend because right now we do have a breakout structure. This is a closer breakout structure, which is why price is rejecting towards here. So by right, momentum should be on the bullish trend rather than be on the bearish trend. So if the price were to break out towards this support, then we're gonna see like a market reversal, or if you ask me personally, it's just higher time frame consolidation until it breaks to either the resistance or the support. But if you ask me on the long term wise, price is still seems to be on the bullish trend on daily, but have not shows any pullback at all towards a downtrend because based on daily wise, right, if it's on a bullish trend, the previous candlestick, which is yesterday, should close as a bullish but did not do that. So basically it closed on the as a bearish trend, and we still have a long candle weak shadow here that that is shown that is breakout towards the support that we drawn, but actually on the lower time frame is still consolidating within that area, so it's respecting here. So all I can say is that we can look for a buy, sorry, look for a sell if the price came around here, or can be a possible buy because we do coming into US time zone. Let me check, is there any high impact news going on today? 'Cause I do know yes, tomorrow we do have a CPI, which is if you were daily trading is something that you should avoid because spread will kill you or the market volatile will kill you, price will dip down quick and retrace real quick in within a few seconds, so you don't have even have the time to close the position unless you were to entry early and then you were to put your stop losses or and take profit early on, then yeah, you can ride away. But prediction wise, it's very hard to predict out. So So while waiting for the price to come back around this area, I'm gonna go take a water break, a quick one, because this is gonna be a long stream for tonight. We're gonna spend here like at least 2 to 3 hours. At least we can try to get a multiple, or maybe who knows, flip the account. Maybe we can flip the account. Okay, I'll be back. Dude, the water spray everywhere, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Wait, seems like the price rejected in this zone, huh? Okay, based on this lower time frame, doesn't seem to be engulfing yet. We do have this engulfing candlestick lah, basically. So if price were to move, it's basically on this momentum. Let's see why here. So we do have pullback, rejection, pullback, rejection, and this is an engulf candlestick, but not actually on the same level as this candlestick. We can consider that as engulfing, even though it did not even engulf on this candlestick. So I think that's a reason why that the price is basically respecting, but it's just a minor respect that I think, nothing that really significantly impact. But if you look at M5, okay, M5, okay, even this candlestick rejection did not engulf, so we are still looking at the price might be coming back here. So we don't want to miss up the opportunity. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the price to come back here. Okay, within this 100 pip zone. Okay, just nice. This is exactly what we wanted. Okay, hopefully the price does not just like make a breakout towards this area and then just want to consolidate in this area, we don't want that. We want it to break somewhere. The closest we are currently right now is within this zone area, but if we can't pull back into the middle, we still have to wait. So let's look at other. Okay, silver seems to be on a downtrend. Does it break towards this? Yeah, it did. Okay, but then look at higher time frames. Did not. Still respecting the support. So which is why it's like we have a lot of candle wick here. So the reason why we have a lot of candle wick here because there is a support here. They're trying to respect. Let me just double confirm it. Look at the higher time frame. Okay, we are lagging all of a sudden. Okay. So on each one is it? Oh, bro. And the girl, check please. So we do have something here. Okay, one H4. Bro, why you lagging? Don't lag. On H4, there's nothing going on. Basically, we do have a fair value gap. If the price would love to actually break up, price will definitely want to come back around here. So we can suspect this to get a buy around this zone. If the price were to come back here within this US time zone, we can suspect to get a buy if there's a fair value gap. Okay, so we keep in mind we possibly can get this trade. So come back to gold. What up, bro? What you cooking for us today? So it seems like M15 close did not became a bullish trend, just make a pullback, but it still closed out as a bearish trend. If I were to sell now, I only would be scalping, but no point. I scared that if I were to take a sell and then price would reject, came into this point and then make a rejection, you know, that would be sad case for us. We don't want this to happen. Basically, we just want the price to come back around here to create this pattern. If you create this pattern, then we can take a sell. Okay. So okay, let me look at lower time frame. Is it coming back towards there? It looks like it's coming towards our box. Hmm. Let me put up my lot size. Hmm. Even though yesterday, right, I sell all the time, but eventually, yeah, if it hit our TP3 and then it rejected and then pushed all the way to be a bullish, even see, push back. Price, we expect it to be sell. You make a breakout towards this area, came all the way here OTP, but then still in this this one accidentally click. We do have like this M1 downtrend, price still consolidating. So apparently this candlestick engulfed this candlestick, so most probably this can be a rejection. Thought of it will be a cover up also rejection here, but I don't know can be a manipulation here. So let's be careful. If there is a manipulation here, it will break this and become a buy trend. Reversal pattern lah, basically. If there is a manipulation going on, this will be a reversal pattern. So basically, we are focusing in this area and what this price gonna give. Hmm. If this price breaks above here, then we might see a reversal pattern. It can be a buy. Okay, it can be a buy. Okay, go buy now. Hold on. Okay, this is our first setup for today. Down, yeah, one bringing no money up in a work. Down. Okay, go buy at 5172. Target 517. Hey, signal has been given out. Hope you guys can catch on to this. I'm just gonna ride solo, man. So let me love you, I'ma love you. Till love is not, let me love you, I'm in trouble. Okay, our first setup, it looks to be on a good bullish trend. Okay, did not came to our zone where we initially wanted to sell. So basically, it seems that we able to catch on to the buy, follow up with the wave momentum as well. As I expected, if it breaks towards this resistance, we're just gonna hold our position right now. Okay. So apparently, we did hit. Did we able to hit our TP1 at least? Okay, we able to hit our TP1. Okay, price did hit our TP1. I'm gonna collect the first two. What is this, man? Yeah, I'm gonna straight put on break even on all this position right now. Put break even right now. Because worried that the price might reject. Price moving so fast. Okay, just hold on and put your position. Okay. Hold on and put your position. Okay, what we can expect is basically if we were to look at M5, M1. Okay, we thought initially break this, it did break. So right now we just want to ride with the momentum on the bullish trend here still. Okay, so if we M5, okay, M5 break this, we can still hold our position. Okay, if M5 break this, 5177, we still gotta hold on our position still. Yee. Okay, so let's see our next roadblock. So this is our next roadblock. If this breaks, we're gonna hold on our position and possible the price would like to come around towards this resistance here, okay? Because right now we are still in this is the main story basically. For right now, this is a breakout structure and then suddenly create a support in this zone. So if you ask me, this is our main story. We are riding this momentum basically on a bullish trend. If this is not the main story, right, here will be the reversal pattern for us, and this is where we're gonna sell, and here will be a new story for us, you know. So if M50 able to close beyond this, you know, break towards this resistance here and close up there, close beyond that we initially want it to break, seems to be sniping tool. That's a sniping tool. Okay, price is on the way to hit our TP2. Okay, so how does it feel, man, guys? So as you can see, once you have your strategy locked on, doesn't matter any day, anywhere, any place, you know, you are able to trade using this strategy. Okay. So we are closing in to hit our TP2. I'm just gonna pull up a bit. Okay, I'm gonna try to stop this one. Okay, I'm just gonna trail stop. So yeah, it looks like it's going to hit our TP2 point, but maybe we're gonna hit our break even first. You know, you never know. You never know. So I'm gonna keep trail stop until you hit our TP3 for the very least. Okay, thank God I didn't take out the profit. Uh, okay. So I want to share you a little bit. So ever since last week, right? We've been using only this method: breakout structure, wait for pullback, wait for is there any manipulation or reversal pattern. If there's not, execute the fourth one straight away. Execute because you already have a confirmation that your strategy works. Straight away execute. So ever since last week, this month we have been profiting closely. We already flipped our account. We double our profit basically. Double our deposit. So it's not that hard, guys. It's just practice. Practicing, looking at how the market structure is giving us, whether it's going to be a bearish trend or a bullish trend. It's important to know what the market gives. Because if you guys don't know what you guys are looking at, you guys will be, you have a lot of doubt, a lot of confusion that might happen. So that is something that you want to avoid. And last but not least, your emotion, emotion. Don't worry about having feeling of fear of missing out. The market doesn't go anywhere. The market always here. You know, every single day, people are buying and selling. It will never change. This concept will never change. So don't worry having, you know, uh, if you are the type of person, who are fear of having this fear of missing out of this opportunity to trade, to lock in a trade. Don't worry. Wait for the next setup. As long you know your setup works, wait for the next setup. Keep practicing. Keep tuning your time of entry. Always the last part execution is the hardest thing to do. A lot of people are not able to accomplish that. So it's important to always stick to your plan, SOP, never change. Stick to it. What's the point of you changing? If you were to change, you're gonna screw yourself up based on other people's opinion. No, you're doing this for yourself. What you are trying to achieve. Like myself, I try to achieve freedom. The ideology of freedom, meaning to say making any choices that I want and without having the worry of the price, especially for my family and my mom. I want to give her the what my dad couldn't give. So this is something that it matters a lot to me to pursue this. So if you guys have the same dream, the same agenda as I am, trying to create something like a breakthrough in our life, practice discipline. What count? That's what matters. Okay. Hope you guys get this. This is very important. So currently, as you can see, by using the same strategy, we are currently running profit, closing, 1,000 USD. Okay, I can just close this position basically, but I'm just want to pull off directly here so we can get at least 1,000 USD locked down. Let's say I'm just pull trail stopping. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna take one layer, two layer. I'm gonna leave one layer. I'm gonna hold on for this position for a long time while I'm just gonna update a little bit. Okay, on to the next setup. So this next setup, before we're gonna look for it, we gotta reset our mind and we're gonna look for other pairs. Because we already run profit for gold, right? We're able to catch that buy. So let's look at other pair, whether UJ. Oh shit, UJ. Oh, come on, man. Stop showing my SL, bro. You hit our SL and it's dipping down and coming back to our SL zone breaker. Oh man, let's not look at this. I don't even want to look at this. How about Euro USD? Okay, Euro USD has potential look to be a buy. Okay, if they say the price but to reject here, but let's see whether the price what the price gonna give if they say the price to come back here, okay? We're gonna break out structure here, so we're gonna take this. Unless if we break out towards this structure here, okay, we have a sell, we have a buy. Resistance and support. So we can see what the price is trying to give us on this lower time frame. But if you ask me, it's sort of momentum as a bearish trend rather than be on bullish trend. But usually in this case, we can look for a reversal or manipulation that we can carry on. Like what happened to gold, okay? Like what happened to gold? I expected that the price should be coming here, but it did not. We do have an engulf candlestick. That's why we ride with it. And then this, especially this candlestick, this candlestick gave us a rejection, bro. Rejection body of the previous. That's why I immediately buy, man. I immediately buy. I immediately buy on this position. So understanding candlestick also play a role. So while waiting for the next setup, give me like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be right back. So we want to reset our mind. We don't want to have this emotion of feeling greedy, trying to catch more profit. But actually we are trying to make more, like, how to say, compound our profit for the long run. Okay, so give me a minute. 5 minutes, I'll be back. Sorry, I'm back. So, Pride, did he have a break even? No, we're still holding on to this position. Okay, boys. We're still gonna hold on to this position. Okay, I'm still gonna hold on this break even. But I worry, right? If it breaks our, if this price were to break either on this resistance or support, right, it will go pretty far. Okay, let's look at a higher time frame, right? If it breaks this, you definitely look around here. Okay, and I believe it will definitely gonna break this too. And definitely look for around here. Oh, new higher high. You never know. Actually, the higher high is here. Let's look at it. This apparently is just I thought this was a higher high. Sorry, it was here. But definitely either one of these two. The higher chances of it coming here, very, very high compared to this. Because we have a resistance here, right? And then we do have like a shadow we rejected here. So possible price want to react towards here. Ada. Okay. But at the same time, right? At the same time, if the price is slowing down, we can have a potential to look for a sell. So I'm gonna put my break even closer now. I don't think I'm just worried that the price might reject it and come all the way down here. Okay. It's worried that it can be a sell, you know? Apparently I just okay. Okay, so our goal is running closely to 100 pip. Okay, we did manage to hit our TP2 to be honest. Yeah, we managed to hit our TP2. Okay, we managed to hit our TP2. Say so price is still on the bearish trend, bullish trend rather than a bearish. So maybe we still riding it all the way here. Okay, I thought of like the buyer are trying to exhaust themselves. This is where the seller gonna attack it, but it did not. Final push, one more push. If you like lower time frame, M1 is still shooting up to the sky. Hopefully, like there's a lot of resistance here, because of. But then it seems like we do have a solid engulfing it. If this goes solid engulfing, right, we still have a bullish trend here. Okay, we're still gonna ride on this bullish trend. Okay, silver as well. Wait, silver not even want to come here. Thought you're gonna come here, but then it seems that you rejected there. So we are playing around this zone. So this one we're gonna close this for now. We're gonna play around this zone. Okay, we're gonna play around this zone. Okay, we're gonna put a line chart. Okay, we have a support here. Legit strong support here. Second touch some more. Okay, second touch. We have a breakout structure here. There's a support around here, became a resistance. So we're gonna look at the price right now. Whether price want to manipulate or reject towards here. If we reject, price will definitely come around. That's the same. Too far apart. Okay, we're just gonna focus on this one first, around this zone. Whether if it breaks that, price is gonna be on a momentum bullish trend rather than to be on a bearish trend, then we can possibly make a ride with it. Okay. So apparently we hit our TP. Okay, we hit our all TP. Hit all TP. So we able to hit our TP3, as you can see. Uh, where is my TP bell? Right here. Okay. So currently we are up on 10,000 USD right now. So apparently we have zero risk of losing our current total deposit. If we were to take a trade, we're definitely gonna risk on our just our profit. Seems like momentum is so strong on this gold side. Gold seems to be very strong momentum. Okay. Just I want to be aware if the price were to break this, we can potentially just take a continually buy or sell with it if there is a rejection wise around here. Silver seems to be rejecting to assist, but even though we have like a, I wouldn't say that as an actual breakout. Even M5 like shows that the breakout immediately rejected. Did not give an engulf rejected, but the second candle did cover up of this engulf candlestick. Man, the H4 candlestick like this, right? Very hard to look for a sell way. Very hard, man. Because momentum is like pushing up towards the to be on a bullish trend, and then if it closes as a bullish candlestick, then yikes. Yikes. And then we have like one, two, three candle wick shadows, candle wick here. That have been left out, being rejected here, and seems to be on a bullish trend. Hey man, don't reject straight away. Come at least come into this box. So let's remove this. We're gonna focus on this closed zone around here. See whether we can catch a sell or not. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take risk. I'm gonna take risk. I'm gonna take a sell. Okay. Our second is incoming. Second signal is incoming. 5786. Okay, second signal has been given out. So the reason why we are selling, price doesn't seem to like want to push up to break out towards this resistance here. That's what I feel like. And that's why the reason why we are selling, okay? That's the reason why we are selling. Person, baby, always have your heart beating fast and from the start. Okay, so here's our second cell gold. Oh, baby. Okay, I'm gonna give it this to this group. The way we love first kiss. Okay, we closing into our TP1. Come on, man. TP1 is right here, bro. TP1 is right there. Come on, man. Come on, man. Push, 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 push. We need to come to be on this sideways, this big ass consolidation on this high time frame. This is not low time frame consolidation, but it's big high time frame consolidation here that we are having right now. Right? So, which is why we are selling, even though there's a breakout structure engulfing candlestick here on this H1, right? But we're still consolidating within this zone. Coming in closely to hit our TP1 for the very least. Come on, man. Push a little bit, a little bit. Let's hit back to back, on the winning streak, guys. Let's do that. Okay, it's closing in to hit our TP1. So let's hope that this can hit our TP1 for the very least. TP1 is right there. Okay, TP1. And TP2. Hey, bro. Just hit TP1. Just hit, hit. Come on, man. Hit that TP1. No. Fuck. Fred just want to hit with TP1. Oh, TP1 is right here. Come on, man. Do it. Do it. Oh, no. Come on, man. Please. Give me. Ah, yes. Okay, we hit our TP1. This setup, we're able to hit our TP1. TP1 setup hit on the road to TP2. You know what, boys? I'm gonna put a break even on this, because the price might be reversal. If this reversal come in, ay. What time did I do that trade, bruh? 4-9. That's what's up. You know what's my name, boys? PREM. Prem. Okay? That's who am I. That's who am I. That's a simple guy, simple trading on the road. That's who am I. Okay. So I already put a break even though we hit our TP1 price might reject and came we hit our break even. So we're just gonna hold on to this position for our break even to hit. It's okay. I'd rather be on a winning streak than to have a position at loss that will cost us a headache. And I don't want to have a headache. Because right now I am having a headache. But so far it's working out for me. Okay, price momentum seems to be pulling back real quick. Real quick. Okay, real quick. Basically, we do put our break even and closely to our entry point. So just hoping that price did not come there and hit our entry point. If it hits there, we are fucked. Price is still on the bullish trend. Okay, reason why price is still on the bullish trend is very, very simple. because we do have an engulf candlestick here on M1, right? Then apparently this also considered a breakout structure towards here. And there is a support base. If you look at line chart, yeah, we have a support here. Okay. So apparently this support has been respected. Supposedly price should be still want to shoot up lah in that sense. So if price hit our break even, it's just purely that. It's just purely that. It's just purely that. Yeah. So price did not even come in to hit our break even, at least for the very least. Okay, keep showing me more red than white. Show me more selling candlestick, bro. So 1 hour coming into this live stream, we're able to make decent amount of profit. Let's look at total for today. Oh, it's your custom period. Just for today. Okay, we already made close up to 2000 USD, which is really good. Which is really good. Okay, which is really good. We already secured that much. Okay. Anything above this, if we were to trade, we're just risking our profit. We're not even risking our actual money deposit. So we're on a safe route. Okay, this is what we want. A good start during the day, during the week, and this what can help us support us throughout end of the month. No, don't come in here break even. No. If hit our break even, it's okay. Initially, what we want to take a trade is around this zone lah. Around this zone. Okay, price did hit our break even. Should we look for a sell again? Wait, let me see. This M5 and this engulf this candlestick, we're not gonna look for a sell, we're gonna wait for it to come up here. This is oh yeah, it's an engulf candlestick, and then some more we do have H1. Oh wow, look at that, bro. I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna sell at all yet because this looks like a strong buy. So we were able to scalp. We were able to just scalp. So right now, yeah, okay. I'm gonna take a buy. But my SL, just take a buy straight away. I'm gonna take a buy straight away. Right. I think this market breakout structure is really good, really good. Okay. So immediately, oh, look at it, look at it. Price did like just shoot up straight away as a buyer. Okay, if this one break towards resistance, price is gonna be continuously buy. Right, it seems to be so. So I immediately took a buy from that breakout. Okay, I immediately put a break even as well. Price seems to be shooting up straight immediately for us. So we're still riding on a bullish trend. So we do have a breakout structure here, and then yeah, that's it. Whenever there's a breakout, if you immediately buy and price is straight gonna shoot up straight. Okay, wow, look at that. Holy fuck! How many people is that? Okay, from this candlestick all the way here, dude, immediately easy 130 pip, easy 130 pip. But we didn't took that chance. We just took a pullback sell. Okay, so right now it's still on the momentum as a bearish, bullish trend. So there's nothing much we can do, and to wait for this price to relax a bit, or maybe come down a little bit lower for us. Maybe we can have a chance to buy right here. Just close. Most importantly, lower for time frame needs to start closing above, beyond this resistance, and ultimately we need a higher time frame to close that as well. So if higher time frame goes beyond that resistance, yes, we still have a bullish trend, and we're still gonna keep riding with it. If not, maybe we're gonna be stuck here. Come on, at least give me 100 pip, man. You only just giving me 50 pips. I need 100, bro. 100. 100. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. 5202. Give me 5202. 5202. Right here. My TP is just right there. 5202. When you gonna be? It's only just a dream. Every my lover, my life, oh, sorry, my wife. Oh man. Down the road, I wish you come back, and no one knows. Wait, you gotta help my break even. What the fuck, man? Come on. What is this? Oh, okay, definitely have a break even. No. Uh, okay, got chance. Got chance. Never hit, never hit, never hit, never hit. Okay, never hit, huh? Never hit, never hit, never hit, never hit. Never hit our break even yet. Haven't hit, never hit. If haven't hit, right, fuck. I'm gonna throw this break even away straight away. Put at my SL 100 point. Buy more. We're gonna buy more. Yes! Let's go! Immediately entry buy. Yep. Do you guys catch up with me? I don't think so, right? I don't think so, right? Definitely, I don't think so. Oh no. Oh no. Fuck it. TP and SL has been set. Now, loving you till you're 17. Right. Maybe I learned the serious way. Top of your hand. Oh, come on, bro. Come on. TP2. There's no TP2. Basically, there's only one TP. All right. So whether this price gonna hit our TP or not, whether come on, man. Yes. Come in. Let's go. So as apparently, it seems like the price is pushing in. Price is pushing almost hit our TP2. Come on, man. 20 more peep. 20 more peep. 20 more peep. 20 more peep, and then we can call it a day. Can we? Oops. 20 more peeps, and then we can call it a day, man. All I need is 20 more peep. Give me that 20 more peep. And I can think about my dinner right now, bro. Oh, yes. Come in. Push. 10 more. 10 more. Ah. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put all my TP. Not TP, basically, I'm going to put my break even so close. Come on, man. Push. Don't come back down. Don't come back. Yeah, keep going. I'm trailing stopping. I'm trail stopping. I want to gain the maximum profit here. Go. Yeah, just a little bit more. Don't reject, man. No. Okay. Ah, fuck, man. Okay, but so what? It's all right. We're still on the good side. I was trying to hit at least 25,000, but we're not able to. But we're still good. Running profit around 2,393. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Oh, bro, you hit my break even. I chose hit my break, and then you gotta put back up. No, don't do this, bro. I hate you. I hate you. Hate you. We found out right where we are. So time. I went to a retarded mode for a moment just now. You have no idea. I became retarded just for a moment. I was blind. Bro, he had a TP2. I mean, not TP2. Why am I keep saying TP2? We hit our TP for the very least, 5052. This is where we actually intended to hit, but then yeah, but here I'll break even first before here I'll TP to, as you can see. Why not two? Here I'll TP. But so okay lah, I mean so far so good, right guys? So far so good. We have a good start. Okay, we have a good start. So okay, this is basically how to grow an account. It's not that hard to grow an account. To grow an account, all you need is just two principles. Market structure, sorry, that is strategy. What I mean by two principle is basically discipline and patience. Just these two principle. And add on to that, the strategy with just market structure and market behavior, you can grow your account no matter if you to deposit 1,000 USD or 100 USD or 10,000 USD, as long you know your risk margin is. If you don't know, you're still new, register using Orex broker, you get a deposit bonus on top of that. So with that deposit bonus, you're actually not risking as much of your deposit, because why? The deposit bonus is gonna help you support your margin. Yeah, that's why it matters a lot in there. Okay. Yeah, you missed this trade. I'm sorry, Luca. So okay, seems pretty good. So we're gonna take a break right now. Whenever we take a profit or setup, doesn't matter, a profit or a loss. Take a break, go 5-10 minute break, do something, you can reset your mind, take your mind off of the chart, because why? We don't want to be greedy. Being greedy is totally bad. You don't want to have that greed sense of trading. What you want to have is a secure mindset of trading, controlling your emotion, following the rules, following your strategy. Do not skip, do not break. All you need is discipline and patience. Practice. Okay? Practice. So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to take a short break. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back. As you can see, gold is still shooting up to the roof. We have a rocket launch right now. Unfortunately, price day our break even. We're not able to get that rocket launch as well. But it's okay. We want to wait for the next proper setup. It's gonna be quite difficult because this is a very high risk zone. If you want to take a sell, yeah, you're gonna pull back. It's just gonna be scalping. But then I don't think it's worth to risk our profit so far that we make. I don't think so. It's a good idea because we have M15 even though closing beyond this resistance. So right now, if you ask me where is gold is heading, apparently right now we do have a resistance here, a rejection one going on here. So maybe there's a chance that gold might want to reject here. But then if a gold doesn't want to come and reject in this area here, we can get a pullback. But if it go beyond that, we still have a push momentum of bullish trend. If you look at H4, okay, it's still pretty strong. Daily wide is still pretty strong, even though we have a push breakout towards this. If we throughout the day, if it close beyond this resistance, then we're still gonna have a bullish trend. And then the only thing we can catch on is just a retracement. Okay, if we look at Euro USD, okay, we supposed to get a buy here, but then price did make a pullback here. We can actually get a buy, but we didn't have a chance to look at that because we've been looking at gold. Gold is moving so fast for us, and we're able to catch like total trees setup within an hour, which is really good. It's really good. This is what we want actually. Live stream, give signal, get set up, profit, and then we explain why we took that profit, how the market react towards our strategy. This is something that is really important. Okay, it's really important to know. So I think that's all for today. Let's enjoy our profit and have a good night's sleep, and let's focus on tomorrow. And I believe most of you guys are still out there, having dinner, watching this live stream. I'm so sorry, but this is US time zone, okay? Only way you guys is manage your shit properly, bro. Yeah, it's just that. Okay, it's just purely that. Okay, it's just purely that. And it seems to be really good for us. Okay. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow, same time. Okay, but tomorrow will be slightly different. Alan will be taking over the US time zone. I'll be taking over Euro time zone because I have curfew. After that, I have things to do, people to meet, people to train as well regarding this. So any other than that, you guys can talk to Grace regarding our deposit bonus and also our VIP channel. You guys don't want to miss this chance because if you guys miss this chance, like look at it. I was able to flip our account, and today we're able to make close to 2005. You know, and we talk about ever since this whole month, we're up 10,000 right now. So throughout for the next few days, the weeks, and for this entire month, we are not risking our deposit rate. Right now, we are just gonna risk our profit and try to flip from this 20,000 to at least 40,000. Okay, that is our goal for this week. Let's aim for that at the end of this week, okay? If we can catch on the price. So, any other than that, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. Have a good night. Have a good day, okay, guys?